Howdy folks, just got that little dustette up and running, and it runs like a beaut, which is quite cool. Seems to be absolutely fine. Lovely little machine. I'm quite chuffed with it. Yep, definitely pick out the dust. Hoover, dustette. There's something in the back of them anyway. And this is the next one. Is this, which is out of the gas dryer, tumble dryer motor on the back, which obviously sits on the back of the machine. The back of the machine will be here somewhere. This is in the bottom. The drum's there, and then the burner, which is there, will sit on top.
Whilst out at our local pub for lunch, my great auntie Ellen,
Oh, good.
my